Okay, so today I am going to be showing you how to edit selection tests and other online tests in HMH. This has come up for several teachers, so here I am making another video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is go up to Discover at the top and then click on My Stuff. This is where you can create your own lessons and have all of your saved items. Then you're going to go over to My Assessments over there on the left, and here's where you will create your first assessment. I'm giving mine just the title Telltale Heart. Selection test, I'm giving it the same title as the actual test, just because that's what I want students to see. And then you can add an optional description. Students will not see this. I just am putting in the description that this is a modified selection test for my own need. So after you create the assessment, you'll be able to add questions to your selection test from the tests in the HMH platform. You will just need to go over to the current unit, current text, and then any assessments will pop up there, and then you will select that test. So from here, you can check any of the questions and answers by clicking on Show Answers. And then you will just need to add whichever questions you want to include on the test. You'll also see that some questions are marked as not editable or cannot be edited. So far, I've only seen that in the short answer. It seems like all multiple choice questions are editable. All right, so once you've selected all of your desired questions, you're going to go back to the top, click Save and Done, and now is when you can go in and adjust those multiple choice options. Please notice the alert at the top that says your items will be marked with the same standards as the original item. Just be careful that you're not changing the actual question or adding options, because that can then skew your standards reports. So you'll see that I'm going in, playing around, showing you can delete, you can add. I'm deleting a few options because in this, theoretical, I have a student with an IEP who has modifications as an accommodation. Okay, so now you will just be able to, go through, make sure everything looks good. You can preview the test to make sure that it looks the way you want. And then from there, you can just click Assign to your classes. And you're done. Okay. So you can see now that in my preview, I have just my 8-question test. I'm going to go and click through everything one more time, step by step. You're going to click on Discover. You are going to go over to My Stuff and then over to My Assessments. You will hit Create. You're going to give the assessment a title, optional description, and then you're going to hit that Create button again. Again, you're going to click on Add Items. You're going to choose your unit, your story, and then the assessment. And then you will add the items that you want to add. Hit Save and Done. And then you'll be able to either preview it, assign it, add more items, whatever you need. All right, thank you so much. Bye.